Hi students, good morning. The chapter 7, the time. After studying in this chapter, you can convert 24 hours clock times to 12 hours clock time and solve the problems to involving addition and subtractions to daily problems to related for time and calculate the time is required for complete work. Yes, look at this clock. As visible sides, the clock is known as face. It has dial. The dial has 12 equal divisions. 12 equal divisions. The divisions as number as 1 to 12. The clock has two hands, longer hand and shorter hand. The longer hand is called as minute hand. It indicates time to minute, and shorter hand is called as hour hand. It indicates times to hour. Then some clocks have third hand hour there to indicates the longest hand of the clock is called as second hand. It indicates times to second. S shows the mark. The minute has shows in 1 minute. The mark has shows in 1 minute. Therefore 60 minutes. The 16 minutes in 1 hour and 1 day in, remember, 1 day in 24 hours, 1 hour in 16 minutes and 1 minutes in 60 seconds is important. Yes, look at this. Observe for 24 hours clock time. This here the 24 hours clock time has been equal divided 12 hours to 12 hours, total 24 hours. Okay, from 12 hours in the afternoon and the first part, and after 12 hours in the midnight for 12, then 12 hours for second part. These for time intervals between the midnight to afternoon is called as antemeridian. This represented for AM. Midnight 12 to afternoon 12 is AM. Then afternoon 12 to midnight 12 is PM. 12 hours and 12 hours, total for 24 hours for one day. Okay. Then how to convert 24 hours clock to 12 hours clock time? Yes. Look at this. 24 hours clock time to 12 hours clock time. 1 hour is 1 AM is 12 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ, 2 hours in 24 hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ 12 hours else 2 AM, 11 is 11 AM and 12 hours is afternoon 12 hours, 13 hours is 1 PM, 14 hours is 2 PM, 23 hours is 11 PM and then 24 hours and 12 hours for midnight. Yes, it's for shows 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is 1 minute, 12 to 1 is 5 minutes and 1 to 2 is 10 minutes and 2 to 3 is 15 minutes, 3 to 4 is 20 minutes, 4 to 5 is 25 minutes, 5 to 6 is 30 minutes. Okay. Yes. Simple for answers question exercise 7.1 for basic questions. At what time do you get up in morning? Morning means AM. 6:30 AM. Morning 6:30. At what time do you go to school? 9 AM. 9:30 or 9 AM. At what time do you go out to play? 5 PM. And from what time do you study for during in this night? 6 PM to 10 PM or 6 PM to 8 PM to 10 PM. Then at what time you will go your dinner? 9 PM or 9:30 PM. Yes. At what time you go to bed on night? 10 p.m. Night is 10 p.m. Dinner is p.m. And during night is p.m. and play is also p.m. and school is also p.m. and morning is a.m. Yes. Denote the following timings for a.m. and p.m. 10:15 morning. Morning is a.m. 10:15 a.m. 8:10 is night. 8:10 is p.m. And 1:45 afternoon. Afternoon means p.m. 1:45 p.m. Next 4:30 morning is 4:30 a.m. Next 9:45 night. 9:45 p.m. and 5:35 evening. Evening is 5:35 p.m. Next main and convert the following timings for 12 hours clock timings and also write in am and pm. 12 hours clock timing. First question, 23 is to 25 hour. Look at this clock. 23 is 11. 23 is 11 for 12 hours timings ali means 11:25 p.m. 12 hours timings ali p.m. Next 12:35 hours is same 12:35 p.m. Next 14 is to 45 hour. Okay, 14 means 2:45 2:45 p.m. 14 is 2 for 12 hours ali 2:45 p.m. Next 18:40 hours as 6:40 p.m. Next 8:30 hours 8:30 p.m. and 11:55 hours means 11:55 p.m. Next we know that seconds, minutes, hours and 3 fundamental units of time. Let us now learn to relationship between them. Time can also measure in days, weeks, months and years. There are 7 days in a week. There are 4 weeks in a month. There are 12 months in a year. The 7 months have 31 days for each month for January, March, May, July, August and October and December. Then the 4 months have 30 days, April, June, September and November. And February has 28 or 29 days. After every 4 years of February or 29 or 28 or 29 days, these years they are called as leap year. Then remember 16 seconds is 1 minute, 16 minutes is 1 hour, 24 hours is 1 day, 7 days is 1 week, 30 or 31 days are 1 month excluding for February months, and 12 months as 1 year and 365 days as 1 year. Yes, the clock has in a one complete rotation as 12 hours. In a 1 day makes twice a rotation as total 24 hours. 24 hours means in 1 day. In a 1 day was makes twice a rotations in a clock. Yes. Next exercise 7.2.